Hello everyone. We will see now the prediction for Bank Nifty and Nifty for tomorrow, 22nd July. Purposefully, this video is little delayed and being uploaded now to see what was the outcome of the global US market and SGX Nifty for today. Today is being a holiday for NSE and BSE, so I wanted to check what is the global sentiment for end of the day. To have a view for tomorrow's market. The reason is very quite straightforward. The last 2 days there is a big fall down for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Even though for last 1 month Nifty and Bank Nifty was trading on the bullish zone, suddenly there is a big fall down in both the areas. This is very much due to the weak US market and also the negativity news of COVID, what was prevailing in the global side. Okay, let's see what is waiting for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If we see yesterday 20th July, Bank Nifty has fallen down 663 points almost. And the big surprise was it broke down 34,500, which was a very strong support, which all technical people expected to be, and I also expected it could reverse from 34,550 because 34,500 was a good support, but it also broken 34,500 and it came down to 34,380 and recovered back to 34,415. So before we get to the tomorrow's chart, let's see how is the weekly trend for Bank Nifty for now. Okay, if we see here clearly it has broken lot of candles of last 2-3 weeks. So it has clearly broken the last 3 weeks support, and it is clearly at the downside. The next support for Bank Nifty is nearly to 34,000. So we are clearly at the tip of breaking furthermore or reversing from here. But most likely for Bank Nifty, what I am seeing here is, if it breaks 34,380, which was yesterday's low, if it breaks 34,380, it should come down to 34,000. It can come down because the next support is at 34,000. So it can come down to 34,000 if it breaks down 34,380. This is as per the weekly chart, and I think the downside target we should have it as 34,000. Let's come back to the 5 minutes chart and look for tomorrow's areas of support. This is a 5 minutes chart where I have marked the support and resistance, and these points are very key for tomorrow. Before coming to this, let me show you 2 more data points. If you see today's closing, US market has closed in green, almost European market, and SGX Nifty as well has closed 50 points up. So we have green closing on global market side. This is a bit positive, so this will definitely have some effect on our tomorrow's Bank Nifty and Nifty. Our Bank Nifty and Nifty can also have a recovery to upside. If Bank Nifty and Nifty shows a recovery on upside, there is a big move upside waiting for Bank Nifty and Nifty. It won't be a very small move because there are a lot of price gaps which has left in last 2 days on this drastic fall down. So what the takeaway is, the global markets are close green, and we can expect some recovery upside in our Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you also see the put call ratio, the Nifty is at 0.52 and Bank Nifty at 0.45. This is clearly a sign of oversold, and we should expect anytime reversal from Nifty and Bank Nifty side. This is what the PCR data is showing. And if we see the FII, DII, it is not really a significant data, I would say, because there is the same pattern that is getting followed. FII is in selling side and DII is in buying spree. So this is same as last 1 month. FII is keep on selling and DII is keep on in the buying side. So at least we should be a little happy that one of them, DII, is in buying zone. So we can't really interrupt something really specific on this FII and DII for now. Okay, let's get back to the 5 minutes chart, and let's see the support and resistance for 22nd July tomorrow. So now the current price is at 34,415. So clearly we should see tomorrow Bank Nifty could open flat or slightly price up. So it is at 415. I have marked 34,480. The Bank Nifty should open tomorrow to touch down 34,480, and we should observe this 34,480 whether it is going to break up 34,480 and break to 34,625. If it touches 34,625 and moves up, we should definitely see a big bullish side in Bank Nifty, and we should see it touching 35,095. And if there is also a chance 35,095 also could be broken up, and the next target should be 35,500 and 35,770. It is because of Bank Nifty I'm giving all these big targets, because in Bank Nifty anything is possible. We have seen in the past 1,000 to 1,200 points is captured by Bank Nifty in just half an hour of time. So global markets are in green, but especially for Bank Nifty's behavior, if it crosses 34,625, we should definitely see expecting a big bullish side to touch these targets. Another reason is because 34,095 and 35,770, these two are price caps for Bank Nifty. These 2 points, key points, pivot points, have not been touched by Bank Nifty due to this drastic fall. So anything above 34,625, it likely to get to 35,095 and 35,770 to look towards to touch these 2 important points. But we should also understand already it is at the negative side, so we should not ignore the negative side of the Bank Nifty for last 2 days. So when it touches 34,480, we should wait whether it is going upside or it is going to reverse. If it getting reversed, definitely we should not enter into CE buy position. We should enter into PE buy position only. And if it breaks 34,340, it has a very high chance it will come down to 34,000. 34,340 is a very key point. If it comes down, then we should hold PE buy position, and we should capture this 300 points downside. Once it touches 34,000 to 33,900, there is a chance of reversal. But whenever Bank Nifty is reversing, note it down, it is going to do 1,000 points upside. There will be a big 1,000 points captured to the upside till 35,770, because 35,770 and 35,95 are 2 price gaps Bank Nifty has left in the past days. So this is all about the Bank Nifty. So these are the important points to note for tomorrow, and trade only on these lines, make an entry only on these 9 lines, whether it's having a reversal or breakout. Do not enter into the middle, and there could be only one big movement for tomorrow, because tomorrow is an expiry day. Afterwards the Bank Nifty will go flat and eat up the premium and price. So the retailers, whoever are doing CE buy and PE buy side, we should only capture for we should wait for only one moment to capture, and then we should exit the trade. So it will be mostly an option selling day for tomorrow, as it is an expiry day. So whatever I have explained, I also put it in writing here, so free to pause this video and read out the points. I have more written clearly what I have explained right now. Thank you for Bank Nifty. Let's see on Nifty chart. Nifty chart again, it is the same pattern as Bank Nifty. Let's see on Nifty. Again, Nifty also seems similar to Bank Nifty. It has fallen down to 15,580 and it has recovered and it has closed down to 15,632. And if you see weekly chart, 15,580 is a very important weekly support. So which it was trying to break, but it got recovered and closed at 15,632. If you see here 15,580, it is a big support at the downside, and it touched 15,580 and reversed back to 15,632. 15,630 is clearly a big support in these two red candles in the last 2 weeks, and luckily Nifty has closed above 15,630. So this is a good sign, and also remembering the point, SGX Nifty and the US markets have closed green, and with Nifty has recovered at the end of the day from 15,580 to 15,632, we can likely see tomorrow Nifty is also recovering positive for tomorrow for our side as well. If it breaks 15,580, you can clearly see the next support is at 15,500 and more 15,450. So maximum what I see at the downside is 15,450, and if it breaks 15,580, then we can see this downward movement. But observing the SGX Nifty in green, Nifty also should recover some more points for tomorrow. Let's see this 5 minutes chart. I've again already marked the lines. Let me show you. So these are the important points to watch for tomorrow. Now the current price is 15,632, 15,640 and 15,655 are the two important pivotal points. Tomorrow Nifty can open flat or slightly green expecting to touch 15,640, and 15,640 when it touches, we should observe whether it is showing a reversal candle or it is breaking 640 and moving to 15,655. If it breaks 15,655, we should definitely see Nifty to touch 15,760. And again, there is another target. If it crosses 15,775, then we should expect Nifty to touch 15,920, because 15,760 and 15,920 are two important price gaps for Nifty, which Nifty left to test this two price, and it has drastically come down because in the last 2 days. But it's very much in Nifty not likely to go till 15,920 in a single day. So tomorrow what I'm expecting is it should cross 15,655 and touch 15,760, and again return back and close around 15,655 positive with 50 points, similar to SGX Nifty. This is what I'm seeing. But 15,640 at the opening, we should clearly see if there is a reversal, and if it crosses 15,580, then we should enter PE buy position, and there is likely chances it comes to touch 15,500 and 15,450. So 15,580 is an important point. If it breaks down 15,580, then we should enter into PE buy position or CSL position to capture down this 100 points, or otherwise if it breaks 15,640 and going up above 15,655, we should enter CE buy position and look to capture the points till 15,760. So this is about for tomorrow, Nifty and Bank Nifty, guys. So all the best. Tomorrow is expiry day, so remember, so do not hold the position for the entire day. If you are a option buyer, quit the trade early in the day when you capture some profit, and watch out for end of the day closing of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you guys. Please support the video if it is if you're finding it useful, and also connect with me in the friend page where I'm in touch with all of you during the market hours. Thank you.